Hello guys, this is the new C845 from TCL in 65 inch. It has 576 zones. So we removed the quantum dots layer from the panel. Of course, we removed the LCD panel and we have just the mini LEDs on the back. And we're trying to check to see how the quantum dots layer works in front of these blue mini LEDs. So we can see the zones and we can see how the blue light transforms to white with Q-dip. Even without LCD panel in front, you can see something, you know. It's an artistic approach.
How the diffusion can change.
Like a new black and white TV with a few.
So we don't need LCD anymore.
First generation CRT.
Yeah. This is the new TV from TCL, C845 in 65 inches. You see the resolution, it's 4K, the HDR, has a lot. But it's missing the LCD panel. The LCD panel, it's right here. And we remove the LCD panel to discover the technology behind it. Impressive. So this is the LED, blue LEDs that they create the light, and the enjoyment comes from LEDs. So if you watch carefully, you can see some motion, some figures, some content, but the resolution is very low here, too few pixels. But then the quantum dots comes. And now the blue LEDs are turning white. And the light becomes homogeneous around the panel. What is missing? The LCD panel to control more the light. And to create the RGB colors, you know, of the television. So that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.